Hey guys, your truck is your paycheck, so please don't hand your keys to a complete stranger without asking a few questions first. I'm going to share with you 3 mistakes that cost our drivers everything and the 5 questions that could have prevented all of them. The first mistake I want to tell you about cost our driver thousands. He pulled into a little shop off I-80 with an after-treatment issue. The price of repairs seemed right, the guy seemed nice enough, and 3 days later he's back on the road. But 200 miles down the road, his engine's throwing codes like crazy, and it turns out the mechanic who worked on his Cummins ISX had only ever worked on pickups. This cost our guy another $12,000 and a week of downtime to fix the first guy's mistakes. That's why you always ask, are your mechanics certified for heavy-duty vehicles? Look for AC certifications, especially the T-Series for heavy-duty trucks. Don't let these guys practice on your $150,000 or $200,000 truck. Another of our drivers went in for a turbo that failed just after 3,000 miles. She had it replaced about 3 states back. When she called them, they said, sorry, but we don't warranty parts if you didn't get your oil changed here at the time of service. That wasn't in writing anywhere. Our client ate the $3,500 repair because she didn't ask up front. Do you have a warranty on repairs and replacement parts? Get it in writing, guys. Know what's covered, for how long, and what voids it, and a good shop stand behind their work, no matter what. So I had a good friend call me furious last month. He took his truck in for a brake job and was quoted $800. The final bill, $2,400. The shop said they found some other issues during teardown and went ahead and replaced it while they're in there. They didn't call, they didn't get approval, they just did the work and expected him to pay for it. So always ask, can you provide a written estimate and breakdown of services performed? And make sure they agree to call you before doing any of the additional work. It's your truck, your wallet, you need to approve it. Another good friend told me a story about a buddy of his who dropped his truck off at a shop on Monday. It was just supposed to be for a sensor issue. Said they'll have him out by Tuesday afternoon. Well, Tuesday came and went, and Wednesday they said, well, we're waiting on a part. And by Friday, he'd missed 3 loads and lost a regular contract. So ask up front, guys, what is the estimated time frame for the repairs? Ask what happens if parts are delayed. And a good shop will be honest with you about the time frames and have a plan B. And in this business, time is money, and we know you can't afford to be lied to about either one. All right, guys, the important questions you need to ask the shop before you drop your truck off for any repairs. First one is, are your mechanics certified for heavy-duty vehicles? That's very important. Do you have a warranty on repairs and replacement parts? And can you provide me with a written estimate and breakdown of the repairs? And what is the estimated time frame for these repairs? Any good shop out there will answer these questions with no problems at all. So make sure you ask these questions.